Keeping bees has lots of great rewards, but most hives require you to lift heavy boxes that can weigh up to 100 pounds. Imagine if there were a way to keep bees without lifting those heavy boxes from the comfort of your chair. With simple low-cost modifications to standard hive equipment, you can have the rewards of beekeeping without the heavy lifting. The keys to easy access are the hive tilt and hinge features, which allow you to access the frames from a comfortable and ergonomic position. By tilting the hive back to you, it is easy to access the frames one at a time, so lifting weight is always less than 10 pounds. The hinge allows you to access the bottom brood box without the heavy lifting. You can add a queen excluder and super to maximize your honey harvest. The frames can be added or removed one at a time. Here's a close-up of how easy it is to use the tilt and hinge functions. You can adjust the tilt angle by adding stop blocks. You can clean the bottom board by removing the back access hatch. You can weigh the hive using the tilt feature and a bathroom scale. Here is a 360-degree view of the Easy Lift hive stand. It is constructed using 2x4s, screws, and bolts, and fits standard hive equipment. By adding your own creativity and accessories to this design, you can make improvements and share them with others. This is just one solution to providing a safe and accessible beehive. We welcome your suggestions for improvements.